Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Action camera lovers, rejoice. DJI is gearing up to unveil its most anticipated offering yet, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. This highly awaited camera promises to be a true game changer, shaking up the action camera market and potentially dethroning the reigning champion, GoPro. The Osmo Action series has consistently offered a compelling alternative to GoPro, boasting exceptional features and competitive pricing. However, some key areas like sensor size and low light performance have held it back from achieving top dog status. But with the Pro moniker gracing the Osmo Action 5, things are about to take a thrilling turn. DJI has a history of packing significant upgrades into its Pro models, and the Osmo Action 5 Pro is poised to follow suit. So what advancements can we expect, and when can we get our hands on this revolutionary camera? Let's delve into the exciting possibilities. The Pro treatment. A glimpse into potential upgrades. The buzz surrounding the Osmo Action 5 Pro began with a cryptic tweet from industry insider Igor Bogdanov, hinting at an exciting addition to the DJI lineup beyond drones. This was followed by another tweet from Osmo LV, a reputable tech source, confirming the Pro tag for the Osmo Action 5 and revealing an FCC listing. The FCC typically certifies devices nearing launch, suggesting an imminent arrival for the Osmo Action 5 Pro. Drawing parallels with the 2023 launch of the Osmo Action 4, which strategically preceded the GoPro Hero 10, DJI seems to be following a similar approach. This strategy positions the Osmo Action 5 Pro for a potential release within the next month, possibly alongside a dedicated launch event in the second week of August. However, the possibility of two variants, a base model and a feature-packed Pro version, adds intrigue. This approach could cater to a wider audience, offering a budget-friendly option alongside a Pro variant brimming with advancements. Beating the Hero. Key upgrades to anticipate to truly rival the GoPro Hero 12, DJI needs to implement significant upgrades across the board. A larger sensor and enhanced overall performance are at the top of the wish list. The Osmo Action series has already addressed the overheating issues that plagued GoPro cameras, ensuring smoother performance. Now, DJI sets its sights on surpassing Hero cameras in resolution as well. Rumors suggest that the Osmo Action 5 Pro might feature a 1-inch sensor, similar to the one found in the Osmo Pocket 3. This larger sensor could potentially unlock the ability to shoot stunning 5K videos at up to 60 frames per second. While the exact resolution capabilities remain unconfirmed, the larger sensor holds immense promise for low light performance, an area where action cameras have traditionally struggled. The Osmo Pocket 3 demonstrated significant improvement in low-light footage thanks to its larger sensor and enhanced image processing, and we can expect similar strides in the Osmo Action 5 Pro. While the design is likely to retain the robust, square-shaped body with dual-touch displays from its predecessor, seamless connectivity with wireless microphones would be a welcome addition. The built-in microphones often struggle with background noise, making an external high-quality microphone a necessity for professional-grade audio. Pro features for Pro results. The Pro designation signifies a commitment to professional-level features. DJI has a lot to prove in terms of image quality, which currently leans in GoPro's favor. To establish itself as the definitive action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro needs to deliver exceptional image quality and a seamless shooting experience. The verdict? Can DJI outrun the Hero? The Pro moniker on the Osmo Action 5 Pro raises a critical question. Will it be enough to dethrone GoPro? While the answer remains to be seen, the potential upgrades are certainly promising. A larger sensor, improved low-light performance, and potentially higher resolution capabilities paint a compelling picture. Ultimately, the success of the Osmo Action 5 Pro will hinge on its final execution. We eagerly await the official announcement and the opportunity to put this camera to the test. Join the discussion. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Osmo Action 5 Pro? Do you think the Pro name will make a significant difference? Can DJI finally surpass GoPro in the action camera realm? Share your predictions and opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Technology in the Future, for all the latest tech news and updates.